If you're wondering how December got here so fast, same. But don't panic because I put together a plan and I'm sharing it with you to help you get your Christmas cards done and out in the mail. And yes, it actually works even for procrastinators like us. Let's get into it. What's going on, everybody? My name is Tiffany Solorio. If you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe and join the community. If you've been a subscriber to me, welcome back and say hello in the comments. Now, if you've fallen behind on your Christmas cards or you started them and then life happened, you're definitely not alone. December has a way of sneaking up on all of us. Now, for those of you that have been making and sending Christmas cards for years and you have a good system down, definitely share your best tips and tricks in the comments because I know they will help someone else. Whether you have a handful left to finish or you haven't even started yet, the simple 7-step plan is going to help you stay organized, make steady progress, and get those cards mailed out without feeling overwhelmed. All right, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Set a goal. Go through your address book and count how many cards you actually need to send. When you know the exact number, it becomes so much easier to focus and stay on track. Step 2. Shop your stash. You probably already have everything you need. Pull out background dies, stamps, embossing folders, pattern paper, anything that you want to use. Let what you already have inspire you. A little tip is to pull out a little more than you think you are going to need or want to use when you are planning, because then everything is ready and on hand. Step 3. Pick 1 or 2 designs. This is where you can keep things simple. Choose one layout or style you can repeat easily and quickly because that will save you so much time. Now, if you need a little help with your ideas or inspiration, I have a free class with 4 easy card designs that will walk you through multiple layouts you can start using right away. The link to that is down in the description box. Step 4. Batch your steps. Do all of your cutting at once, then your stamping, then assembling. Batching keeps you organized and it makes the whole process go so much faster. Step 5. Before you get started, turn on a Christmas movie, light a candle, get comfy, and make this fun and cozy. Step 6. Write your messages, address your envelopes, and stamp them as you go. Checking off each card as you finish it helps you stay organized, especially if you are adding a personal note inside. Step 7. Set your mail date. Circle a day on your calendar. If you're mailing domestically, like I would be mailing in the United States, I try to send them before December 15th or earlier. If you are mailing internationally, send them even sooner. Now, you can absolutely finish those cards and feel good about it. Even 15 minutes a day can make a huge difference. And if you need a boost of inspiration or want help coming up with your designs, make sure to check out that free class I mentioned. It's linked below. That's all I got for you today. Thank you all so much for stopping by. And don't forget to stay creative, my friends.